Welcome to the Tricks and Tips series. This is video number 1 in a series of 20, where I'm going to try and show you how to get the best out of your hybrid and just share a few things I've learnt over the time period I've been running hybrids. I've personally run a Prius. That was my first hybrid. That was a 2006 Gen 2. Then I had a 2012 Yaris Hybrid, 2016 Yaris Hybrid XL. Then I bought my 2020 Dynamic, and now I've got this 2023 GR Sport. So it's been a long period I've been driving hybrids, and I think in that time period I've figured them out. So I want to share some of the tricks I've learned. The first one I'm going to show you is a very, very simple one. And it's nothing more than pushing a button. Down here we've got buttons for putting the car into EV, turning traction control off, and your drive modes. There's 3 drive modes in these cars. It defaults to what I call normal drive mode, where on the dash, in this area here, you'll see when I push the drive mode button, it'll tell you what drive mode you're in. So if I push the button now, it's now telling me I'm in power mode. Now it's telling me I'm in eco mode. Then that little indicator goes out when you're in normal mode. To get the best out of it, just select eco mode, and it will stay in eco mode. So if I turn the car off now and then restart it, and it'll wake up and go through all its checks. It defaults automatically to eco mode. That's the best mode to drive in. Use eco. What eco does, it softens the response when you push the throttle. It makes the way the car responds to your inputs very, very gentle and very, very smooth. And it really, really helps with the economy of the car. It also, if you've got the aircon on in normal mode, you're just running aircon in its full output. When you put it into eco mode, it reduces the amount of power to the air conditioning unit as well. So the eco mode is also controlling now the economy of your aircon. So it softens the aircon. Aircon still heats the car up, still keeps the humidity and the climate in the car where you want it. It just doesn't use anywhere near as much power to do it. So you're saving electrical power whilst you're in eco mode and you've got the air conditioning or the climate control on. That's the first little tip I want to show you and share with you. Put the car into eco, leave it there. It won't slow it down. It just makes the car really smooth to drive. And it will make a difference, I promise you. Now, thanks for watching the video. We're running up to about 5 minutes now, so I'm going to sign off on this one. And I hope you're looking forward to tip number 2, which will be coming soon. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy the content. I enjoy making the videos for you. I enjoy reading the comments and answering the comments to the best of my ability. Thanks again for watching a North Wales side-by-side video.